Just jump the jumps, Nicoletti. Jump the jumps.
Woohoo! Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. We're gonna go out for two-wheel drive mod buggy. We're gonna go out for the first race of the 2026 season at SDLRC Park. Oh, KT, good to see you, buddy.
How are you?
Nice expansion, nice build.
Yeah, getting there, huh? Getting there.
Yeah. Kevin Tyler, the owner of this place, just did a nice expansion of the track. We're gonna record the mains. All right, here we are at ground level, just kind of giving you a lay of the land so you can maybe get a little bit more of the idea of the elevation. So this is the, obviously you come ripping down the straightaway. The straightaway is dry and loose, but it's fun to hold on to because you're going through a chicane entering and a little bit of an elevation change there. So it really unsettles the car, and then you're trying to hold it straight all the way through here, full power, pretty much to the carpet where the loop is. Make that tight. You do a double here, loop around, and then this section is all like undulating there, then you come around, and this is a triple, although no one's tripling it. Best way to do it is a double single, but for some reason the depth perception is really messing up a lot of racers over in that corner. A lot of people end up jumping to the inside of the pipe, and but I've kind of got it figured out. You just have to align yourself way more outside than you think, and then you pretty much jump it in the middle, and you're in a good situation for lining that up for a straight shot through there and whip down the straightaway. Let's see how we do in this two-wheel drive mod buggy. All right, two-wheel drive mod buggy. A practice lap. This is my two-wheel drive mod buggy. The rear tire is a ProMotion Talon, and the front tire is a Gen Concepts Dirt Web. All the electronics are the same as I've had for a long time. Hobbywing XR10 stock spec and a 13.5 SMC lowrider with boost and turbo and a lot of softening off the get-go so I don't spin out off the launch.
On TQ, followed by the gas, the butterfly or dragonfly or whatever the heck he's supposed.
Oh, I'm third, I'm not second. Oh, I'm in third.
5, Sulky 6, Nathan, and Severs. And Fluffy, we'll get some more oil.
Watch, you're gonna rocket by me on the hard pack while I sit there spinning your tire.
I don't know about
I think that's how it's gonna go.
I'll rocket by you and you go right into the pipe, right?
We'll see.
Severs ready. I don't think they're ready, but
Did I start?
Okay, Buckley. Let's be smooth. Reasonable-ish. The gas going for both. Lap 1. Some things never change. Well, I do like the antenna though.
It's so bright.
A little glow.
Woo! Ah! No! 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 No!
Oh no.
Ah! Frig!
Look, it's going to run to the light.
Oh! Whoa! What? Oh, huge pile up there. No. Oh my God!
Oh, Brian gets a double run.
Wow! What a horrendous start.
Again, Pascal's running.
All right, that's Brian Nesbitt ahead of me. Let's see if we can get him.
First. Second.
Ah, I can't put the power
Up
down.
front going big.
Fifth. Sixth.
Gosh. Man, the temps went down and so did the traction.
I'm excited for some turbo drives.
First.
The Rose Maneuver.
Second.
Big battle.
Third. Fourth. Fifth. Sixth.
All right. After Nesbitt. Oh, Nesbitt parks her.
7.
That might have moved me up on the third. I'm not sure. We lost Jake. Jake broke out. Oh no! Oh, come on.
3 minutes left. Third.
That was my mistake though.
2 down, 3 to go.
Fourth.
That was unfortunate.
All right, sneaks inside Walker. The gas all the way up the floor. Jump the double. Just jump the jumps, Nicoletti. Jump the jumps.
Woohoo!
I'm gonna take Jake's spot.
All right, we're in a race with Brian again.
First. Second.
RA with the screaming motor.
Third. Fourth.
Takes the lead. Oh. Sorry, Parker.
Sure, Mosquito.
Six.
Please have my arm.
Oh, the Dukes of Hazzard maneuver. Oh, the Dukes of Hazzard maneuver, but I pushed way too wide on the corner. Whoa, what do you? Whoa, what do you? You lost. I know, you lost traction. You tried to get out of the way, and it just went sideways on you.
Flipped around.
First.
Twice.
Second. Third. 2 minutes left.
Oh.
So someone else is third. I might be in fourth. We'll see what it says when I cross the line.
Fourth.
Yeah, fourth.
Fifth. Sixth. Seventh.
The straightaway is super loose now. Very hard to hold on to it on the straight.
Eighth.
All right.
First.
There's our leader, RA, 1.5 minutes to go.
Second.
Followed by the gas all the way back up. He's just been chewing. Only car still making the double consistently, but then puts her in the pipe and just gets her stuck.
Fifth.
So that's not going to be fast.
Sixth. Seventh. Eighth. First. Second. 1 minute left.
Oh, I'm up in the third now. I'm up in the third, and Joel just crashed. Now I'm in second.
Tucker and Jake.
6, 7, 8. First. Second. Third. Fourth. Fifth.
Have to keep that blue streak behind me.
6. First. 8. 7.
Oh, he crashed into the pipe. That was good.
We got one stuck in the face of the triple. Marshall's coming. 8 seconds to go.
Second. Third. Fourth.
One more lap.
JK getting the double.
Currently in second.
Time has expired. Finish the lap you're on.
Gotta get her home.
Brian Nesbitt done. 6th SDLRC done. First Jeremy Boyer done.
Jeremy taking the first win.
Whoa, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. Come on. Come on, nurse it across.
7th Dave Walker done.
Hey, we did it.
Second John Kennedy done.
JK for the 2.
Magachi done.
Buggy for the 3. Nick for the 4.
Fourth Nathan Paquette done.
Two-wheel drive.
Can't get slowed down on Fox.
All right.
You were pretty
Good run, guys. Man, my consistency got me. It was a big fallback. I came up to second by the end. All right, if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you've never subscribed, you want to talk to me, comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.